Looking for a smartwatch that combines style, performance, and cutting-edge features without breaking the bank? Meet the Fire-Boltt Phoenix Pro. With its sleek metal body, vibrant display, and Bluetooth calling, it might just be the perfect companion for your tech-savvy lifestyle. Let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. FireBoltt Phoenix Pro 1.39 in Bluetooth calling smartwatch. This pink smartwatch is also available in the black and grey colors. It comes with a 1.39 in TFT color full touchscreen and a 240*240 pixel high-resolution display. You can choose from over 100 cloud-based watch faces to match your outfit and look stylish every day. The battery of this product can last up to 7 days. This smartwatch comes with Bluetooth calling with inbuilt mic and speaker to take your calls straight from your wrist. You can access your recent call log and sync contacts on the watch screen. It also features quick dial pad. The watch features HD mic and sharp speaker. You can also click pictures on your phones, camera via the watch, and also control your music. FireBoltt Phoenix proposes a metal body that is durable and long-lasting along with a sleek look and gloss finish with shiny which is anti-corrosive. Track your calories, steps, and much more with 120 plus sports modes to empower your fitness journey. The FireBoltt Phoenix Pro lets you track almost any activity you can think of. Whether you are running, cycling, or practicing yoga, it monitors your steps, calories burned, and more. This is your ultimate fitness partner, ensuring you stay on top of your health goals. This smartwatch comes with IP68 water resistance, which means that you do not have to worry about rain sweat anymore. The latest HRX 3600 technology tracks your heart rate any time of the day or even while you perform some activity. This is the ideal companion for your health goals with the SpO2 monitoring and heart rate monitoring. This watch also has sleep monitoring, female health care tracking, and smart reminders to help you track your health better and enable yourself to be more active. The optical sensors assure results are accurate. Monitor your blood oxygen levels to stay fit and healthy. You can also ensure if your breathing exercise is fit and healthy with the breathing function. The smartwatch comes with the AI voice assistant that can with one tap wake up Siri Google on your phone, and you can give the commands to get your work accomplished. Get all your mobile phone notifications and never be late for a meeting, party, or date. You can also enjoy playing games on the wrist itself as you are on the go. This FireBoltt smartwatch comes with 1-year brand warranty. Thank you.